I got an interview with Roland Pollard.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing. And it's on campus?
It's in Manhattan.
We're always talking about going into Manhattan for a special weekend. This is gonna be absolutely fantastic.
Later, maybe we could take a carriage ride.
Yeah.
If it doesn't rain. You're by far the most interesting American director.
Since this is your first meaningful assignment, would you like a scoop?
Of? I can't make lunch.
Why not?
He's going through this real artistic crisis. It's a scoop.
Gatsby, nice to see you.
It's good to see you. What are you doing?
Just out here trying to create a modern film noir classic.
Okay, all right.
Do you want to be in it?
Hey.
Should we do this? Hey, are you gonna keep your mouth closed?
I have a girlfriend, Shan. I don't think I could do this.
Scene 19, take 2.
Action.
Josh, it's starting to rain.
And cut.
See? I knew you could do it.
Hey,
and I
Josh.
won't tell your girlfriend.
Ashley, what's going on? You said you were gonna call me 30 minutes ago.
It's a $70 million movie, and Raleigh's very unhappy with it.
You call him Raleigh?
Yeah, and Ted and I, we have to find him before he has one of his crazy fits.
Who's Ted?
Was that your boyfriend?
Yeah, he's a little eccentric. Raleigh? Oh my God, you're Francisco Vega.
Is that good or bad?
My roommate thinks you're the greatest thing to come along since the morning after pill.
Francisco Vega is in town with his new main squeeze on his arm.
My girlfriend dumped me for a movie star. Ooh, what are you doing here all alone?
I make dreams come true.
How do you do that?
I get 500, sweetie.
How'd you like to make 5,000? Mother, this is my girlfriend, Ashley Enright.
Better grow up and get a profession. You think a girl like that wants to live hand to mouth?
Funny you should put it that way. She's apparently onto a very big story. She takes her job very seriously.
I shouldn't imbibe so copiously. I become passionate, aggressive, absurd.
Hey, Ashley.
I can't talk to you right now.
What could possibly be so secretive about that?
Unless there's some funny business going on.
Unless there's some funny business going on. This is real life.
Real life is fine for people who can't do any better.
It's supposed to be one tiny little lousy hour interview. Instead, we lost the whole weekend.
I'm onto a real story here.
Take off your raincoat.
I can't. I have no clothes underneath.